it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? I'm doing good, thank you. So I got to take a trip to Michael's on Saturday. Yeah, we had a little, a few things to get done, and I said, I think I want to take a peek in Michael's. Actually, yeah, I felt like going there, so I did. So I was surprised to see their Caron cotton lava cakes, the new Caron cotton cakes, and the new cotton painterly cakes on buy one get one free. So let's take a look. Okay, I bought this color before of the lava cakes, and I had showed you guys. It's limited time only, Caron cotton lava cakes. These are 4 weight, 60 cotton, 40 acrylic, 227 grams, 481 yards, and this color is icing. It's got some light greens and darker greens, and the kind of a light blue. And these are in Canada, $14.99. Yes, they are. But it was buy one get one free, so I paid about $7.50 for each one. That I can do. So yeah, I had one and then I wanted another one, so I got this one. And then so I guess this next one would be my freebie. And this one is this is the new Caron cotton cakes with their new colors. So I only got one of these. There's kind of a light yellow in there, light grays, creamy white or maybe white. And then there's this really nice light rose color maybe. And these are limited to time only as well. They're also medium 4 weight, 60 cotton, 40 acrylic, 250 grams, 530 yards in these. And this colorway is elderberry rose. I think it's very pretty. So I only have one of those. And that is the Caron cotton cakes, their new colors. So that was my freebie. And then these were really picked over, so they may have been marked down a while back. So I got the, let's see, I got the cotton painterly cakes. This is my first one of their new colors, the cotton cake. And this painterly is my first painterly. And that's what it looks like. So there are, like there's a dark gray, goes to a lighter gray. Dark gray, lighter gray. It's kind of a, I guess a really light grayish white. It's hard to tell what color that is. That's almost like a really light rose again. Oh, I'm not sure. This guy looks greeny gray to me. So these are medium 4, 60 cotton, 40 acrylic, 227 grams, 481 yards. And this colorway is Morning Dove. So that one and this is the same. Those are the same colorways. So yeah, buying one getting one free is decent. I'd say it's decent. Yeah, so I was really surprised, like I said, that these were already marked down. because it didn't come out that long ago. But I thank you, Michaels, for doing that. It was a nice surprise when I walked in there. So again, that's the painterly, which means artistic. That's what that word means. That's a word. Cotton painterly cakes. And then here's the Caron cotton cake, the new colorway. And then another one of these cotton lava cakes to go with the other one I bought. All right, so that's my Michaels haul. I finally got my Hirschners in, so I will put up a video tomorrow for that one. And that's it. That's it. Thank you so much for joining me. I really, really appreciate all of you so much. So which colorway out of these 3 colorways do you like the best? And have you bought the new painterly? What do you think of it? You know, it's 60 cotton, 60 cotton, 40 acrylic. Just make sure I'm right. So I said it 3 times. 60% cotton, 40 acrylic. And they're all 4 weight. I mean, and they've all got that twist. Like, I don't know what's so special about each one. They just seem like all the same yarn. They just gave them different names. Alrighty then. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. What am I wearing? You may want to know. I have a tutorial for this pattern, and it'll be linked below. You don't have to have it off the shoulder. You can have it on the shoulder. But I'll put the tutorial below if you'd like to check it out. All right, thanks guys.